Assalamu alaikum, namaste, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn Easy 76. Today we are going to read and learn the mystic poetess Sant Mirabai's life and her verses from the book Sparsh Bhagdo 10th standard CBSE syllabus. Firstly, let us see about her life. Before that, as usual, a small request, who were not a subscriber to my channel, please subscribe so that you'll get more useful, more helpful content and you'll be the first viewer of my uploads. Click like button, press bell icon, share with your friends and relatives. Command without wasting time. Let us see poetess introduction. मीराबाई का जीवन काल 1503 से होकर 1546. मीराबाई's लाइफ स्पैन इज 1503 to 1546. मीराबाई का जन्म जोधपुर के चौकड़ी कुड़की गांव में 1503 में हुआ माना जाता है. इट इज़ बिलीव्ड दैट मीराबाई संत मीराबाई was born in 1503 at चौकड़ी विलेज ऑफ जोधपुर. 13 वर्ष की उम्र में मेवाड़ के महाराणा सागा के कुंवर भोजराज से उनका विवाह हुआ. At the age of merely 13 years, she was married to कुंवर भोजराज of महाराणा सागा मेवाड़. उनका जीवन दुखों की छाया में ही बीता. Her life was spent under the shadow of absolutely grief and sorrows. बाल्यावस्था में ही माँ का देहांत हो गया था. In her childhood itself, her mother, वीर कुमारी, died. विवाह के कुछ ही साल बाद पहले पति, फिर पिता और एक युद्ध के दौरान ससुर का भी देहांत हो गया. After a few years itself of her marriage, firstly her husband Bhojraj, then her father Ratan Singh, and during a war her father-in-law also died. भौतिक जीवन से निराश मीरा ने घर परिवार त्याग दिया और वृंदावन में डेरा डाल पूरी तरह गिरिधर गोपाल कृष्ण के प्रति समर्पित हो गई. She vexed with the life and being frustrated, vexed with the material life, she left her home and family, settled in Vrindavan and devoted herself completely to Lord गिरिधर गोपाल कृष्णा. मध्यकालीन भक्ति आंदोलन की आध्यात्मिक प्रेरणा ने जिन कवियों को जन्म दिया उनमें मीराबाई का विशिष्ट स्थान है. मीराबाई संत मीराबाई हैज़ वेरी स्पेशल प्लेस अमंग द पोएट्स हु वर गिवन बर्थ बाय द स्पिरिचुअल इंस्पिरेशन ऑफ मीडिवल भक्ति मूवमेंट. उनके पद पूरे उत्तर भारत सहित गुजरात, बिहार और बंगाल तक प्रचलित हैं. हर वर्सेस आर प्रिलेवेंट थ्रूआउट नॉर्थ इंडिया इंक्लूडिंग गुजरात, बिहार एंड बंगाल कंबाइंड. मीरा हिंदी और गुजराती दोनों की कवियत्री मानी जाती है. मीराबाई इज कंसिडर्ड ए पोएटेस ऑफ बोथ द लैंग्वेजेस हिंदी एंड गुजराती. संत रैदास की शिष्य मीरा की कुल 7-8 कृतियाँ ही उपलब्ध हैं. ओनली 7 or 8 वर्क्स ऑफ मीराबाई डिसिपल ऑफ रैदास आर अवेलेबल. मीरा की भक्ति दैन्य और माधुर्य भाव की है. मीराबाई's डिवोशन इज फुल ऑफ डिवाइनिटी एंड स्वीटनेस. इन पर योगियों, संतों और वैष्णव भक्तों का सम्मिलित प्रभाव पड़ा है. They are influenced by combined influence of yogis, saints and Vaishnava devotees. मीरा के पदों की भाषा में राजस्थानी, ब्रज और गुजराती का मिश्रण पाया जाता है. A mixture of Rajasthani, Braj and Gujarati language is found uh, in the language of Mirabai's poems. वहीं पंजाबी, खड़ी बोली और पूर्वी के प्रयोग भी मिल जाते हैं. At the same time, usage of Punjabi, खड़ी बोली and Eastern language is also found. Now we have seen Sant Mirabai's life. Now we are going to see about Path Pravesh. पाठ प्रवेश टेस्ट एंट्री. कहते हैं पारिवारिक संतापों से मुक्ति पाने के लिए मीरा घर द्वार छोड़कर वृंदावन में जा बसी थी और कृष्णमय हो गई थी. इट इज सेड दैट टू गेट रिलीफ फ्रॉम फैमिली ट्रबल्स, Saint Mirabai left her home and family, settled in Vrindavan and became Lord Krishna's loyal devotee. उनकी रचनाओं में इनके आराध्या कहीं निर्गुण निराकर ब्रह्मा, कहीं सगुण साकार गोपाल वल्लभ श्री कृष्ण और कहीं निर्मोही परदेसी जोगी के रूप में संकलित किए गए हैं. इन हर राइटिंग्स, इन हर वर्क्स, her deity has been conceptualized at some places as formless Brahma, at some places as the corporal Vallabh Sri Krishna, and some places fearless foreign yogi. That means she is a worshipper of both form and formless Brahma, Lord Krishna, both. वे गिरधर गोपाल के अनन्य और एकनिष्ठ प्रेम से अभिभूत हो उठी थी. She was overwhelmed by गिरधर गोपाल्स exclusive pure pious love. प्रस्तुत पाठ में संकलित दोनों पद मीरा के इन्हीं आराध्य को संबोधित हैं. Both the verses compiled in this presented text are addressing the same devotion of Meera. मीरा अपने आराध्य से मनोहर भी करती है, लाड भी लड़ाती है, तो अवसर आने पर उल्लाहना देने से भी नहीं चूकती. That means Meera not only pampers her idol Lord Krishna, but also she shows fondness towards him and she will not hesitate to complain him also. उनकी क्षमताओं का गुणगान स्मरण करती हैं तो उन्हें उनके कर्तव्य याद दिलाने में भी देर नहीं लगाती. One side she will praise his unique ability and remembers him very often. At the same time, she will not waste time to remind him his duties also. That is the Path Pravesh. Now we are going to see the Path. Till now we have seen introduction of the poetess and test entry. Now we are come to see Mirabai's heart-touching Pad. The first Pad is हरे आप हरो जनरी भीर, द्रौपदी री लाज राखी आप बड़े यो चीर. भगत कारण रूप नरहरि, धरियो आप शरीर, बुड़तो गजराज राखियो कटि कुंजर पीर. दासी मीरा लाल गिरधर हरो हमरी भीर. Hari, Hari means God, Lord Krishna. Here Hari means Lord Krishna. Some saint, one poet address his deity in one way. Kabir Das used to say Sai. Here Mirabai says Hari. And Kabir Das worships Nirgun deity. Here Mirabai both sometimes Nirgun, sometimes Sagun. Now let us see now. Hari aap haro janri bhor. Oh Lord, you have removed the pains, sorrows, troubles of all your devotees who worship you. Draupadi ri laaj rakhi aap badiyo cheer. The way how you have saved the honor, respect of Draupadi by increasing her saree's length, the way how you have the form of Narhari to protect the Prahlada, the way how you have saved the Airavati, uh, king of elephant, from the crocodile. In the same way, O Lord, please kindly remove all my sorrows, make my life also free from sorrows. That is said in the first stanza. She is requesting her Lord to remove her sorrows from her life, the way how he has removed the how he has saved the Draupadi as well as the Prahlada and the elephant Airavati. Now we are come to see the second verse of the Mirabai. श्याम मन है चाकर राखियो जी, श्याम मन है चाकर राखो जी, गिरधर लाल माहने चाकर राखियो जी. O Lord, make me servant of you. I want to be servant of you. I want to become a servant of you. Please accept me as your servant. चाकर रहस्यो बाग लगाइयो, नित उठ दर्शन पासियो. I want to plant a garden so that I can see you as soon as I wake up from my sleep. That means here the Mirabai doesn't like to miss a single moment of his glance. She wants to be with him 24/7. Every moment. बिंद रावण री कुंज गली में गोविंद लीला गासियो. बिंद रावण री कुंज गली में गोविंद लीला गासियो. बिंद रावण री कुंज गली. That means Brindavan means Brindavanam garden. Ri kunji gali mein means in the narrow streets. Govind Leela Gasiyo. I want to sing the songs of appreciation of my Lord Giridhar. That is said here. चाकरी में दर्शन पासियो, सुमरन पासियो खर्ची, भाव भगति जागरी पासियो, तीन बातां सरसे, मोर मुकुट पितंबर सोहे, गल बैजंती माला, बिंद रावण में धेनु चरावे मोहन मुरली वाला. Why she wants to become a servant of Lord Krishna is that because of three reasons. One is she wants to be night and day with him. She doesn't like to be away from him for a moment. The other one is if she becomes a servant of him, there will not be question of separation. Second one. The third one is she wants to get assets of devotion. She wants to heap up the devotion. Now in these lines, in these verses, she describes the outer appearance, outer look of the Lord Krishna. More mukut pitambar sohe. More mukut. More means peacock. Mukut means crown. More mukut pitambar sohe. Gal बैजंती माला. बिंद रावण में धनु चराबे मोहन मुरली वाला. Here the Mirabai describes Lord Krishna that he is wearing a crown of peacock feathers on his head, wearing yellow clothes and wearing a garland of Vaijant. Vaijant flower means yellow color flowers around, saffron around his neck. Meera further says that when Sri Krishna plays flute while grazing cows in Vrindavan, He fascinates everyone. ऊंचा ऊंचा महल बनावे, बीच बीच राखें भारी, सांवरिया रा दसरन पासियो, पहर कुसुम्बी साड़ी. Big, big, she wants to build very big palaces, buildings. In between, she wants to keep um, Rakhiya Bhari gardens. Savariya means here lover, a beloved one. Dasran Pasio wants to see her. Pehre Kusumbi Sadi to meet her lover. She wants to wear the Kusumbi Sadi. Saffron color saree. आधी रात प्रभु दर्शन दीजियो जमुना जीरे तीरा, मीरा रा प्रभु गिरिधर नागर हिवड़ गणो अंधीरा. Here, in these lines, the Mirabai shows her intense love towards her Lord Krishna. Here, her love is just like a wife and husband. She says to meet him, to visit her in the midnight itself, because she is very restless and she is very impatient to see him. That is said in these lines. Her love is not just like a worshipper and Lord. Here, there are two ways she loves Lord Krishna. One is just like a devotee and the love between devotee and Lord. The other one is between wife and husband, the wanton love. That is shown in this last two lines. I think you might understood the meaning of the two stanzas, pad ek or do. Suppose if you are satisfied with my explanation, don't forget to subscribe my channel, click the like button, press the bell icon, share with your friends and relatives. Till the next upload of new video, take care of yourself. Have a nice time. Bye bye. Jai Hind. Allah Hafiz.